Hey guys, it's Shane at DBS. I'm the lead project manager for DBS Remodel. We're on a job today in Lagrange. We're about 90% done in the kitchen. We also are doing a master bath upstairs, and also we already finished a common bath. I'll take you through the kitchen and I'll show you what we've done so far. We installed the new backsplash with a glass border, new sink, a gas cooktop as well as an induction cooktop. Very nice. Double oven, microwave, fridge. Today we have to install a vent for the range hood. Junior is outside cutting in a vent. We'll be installing the cabinet to the exterior. Let's go show you the bathrooms upstairs. Right now we're working on the master bath. We're sheetrocking it right at the moment. Thank you.
Seeing that is nice. Real nice. I could have been in trouble right there.
This is the master bath. There'll be a standing free jacuzzi tub right here, stand-up shower, the splash panel, vanities over here, teacher heated floor. This is going to be a rain shower head into a curved shower, a large splash panel.